first of all, I want to say this thing does a phenomenal job at cleaning. My carpets have not looked this clean in a little while, and I have 2 kids and 2 dogs, so I'm pretty happy right now. 2 young kids, I should add, that make a lot of mess. Second thing I wanted to point out, and it is the reason I'm making this video, is that in other carpet shampooers I have problems with this area and the brushes getting really clogged up with dog hair, because I have a golden retriever and she sheds like crazy, and it's really hard to clean in there, because you can't really get in there without unscrewing something, and I have just discovered how easy it is to clean the brush rolls on this machine, and I'm super excited. You literally just pull this little guy out, and you can see how nasty that is. And I vacuumed my carpet twice, by the way, so that just shows you how much extra it got out of my carpet. Yeah, so it just pops right off, and then you have complete access to both of the brush rolls on top and the bottom. You can just get everywhere. And this is going to be so gross, but you can literally just scoop out all of that nasty, disgusting hair and all the crap that just gets clogged up in your brushes that would normally be such a pain to clean. At least in my experience, I've never come across a machine that has such easy access to the brushes like this, and I've gone through quite a few of these. So I am so excited at how easy that is, because now, literally, you know, my finger's gross now, but it's clean in there. So you can see all the way through. I've cleaned all the stuff out. And then obviously there's this. This is absolutely horrendous. There's like an extra carpet in there. That is horrible. The fact that I vacuumed twice before shampooing my apartment, that's, I mean, look at that. That is so, so bad. That's so much. But yeah, so I just wanted to make this video to show how easy it is to clean the brushes out, because I didn't know that when I bought this, but that is like a major selling point for me in the future. Yeah, so you should buy it. It's awesome. Spray those down afterwards. They go right back in. Easier when you have 2 hands, obviously. Go on like this. Put this right back on. And it's clean.
literally the easiest. That's the dirty water. And voila.
You can see it's not leaking. Putting the water tank on.
See
it running out down there?
It's just pouring.
So we created a space for